The roots alpha beta of the equation 3x square plus lambda x minus 1 is equal to 0 satisfy this 1 upon alpha square plus 1 upon beta square is equal to 15, then the value of bracket of alpha cube plus beta cube bracket square is. Okay, so if you see these terms, this particular term, right? So the one thing that should come in our mind is this may be very much related to algebraic identities, right? Algebraic identities. Okay, and we have this also, so that's why it is also related to quadratic equations, because roots, something related to roots is also given of this quadratic equation, right? Okay, alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. So we need the knowledge of quadratic equation as well as algebraic identities. Let's solve it. See, so these are roots and this. Okay, let me simplify this. I can cross multiply this, so this will be beta square plus alpha square upon alpha square into beta square is equal to 15. Fine, right? So we have very basic identity which goes like alpha plus beta bracket square is equal to alpha square plus beta square is plus 2 alpha beta, right? Basic algebraic identity that we know, right? We want value of this. This is what alpha plus beta is, nothing but sum of roots. Alpha and beta are roots, so this is sum of roots and this is product of roots. We have a quadratic equation and we know how to get sum of roots and we know how to get product of roots, so we can very much adjust something here, right? We know sum of roots, that is alpha plus beta, is given by minus b by a. I hope you understood. Sum of roots of quadratic equation is given as minus b by a. Here what is value of b? B is equal to lambda over here, and a is your 3, right? So minus b by a is minus of lambda upon a, that is 3, right? Okay, so this is sum of roots. Fine. What is product of roots? Product of roots of a quadratic equation is equal to c upon a. What is value of c here? Minus 1. Okay, minus 1 upon value of a is this, right? That's it. Minus 1 by 3 is product of roots. Now we can very much put the values here and we can write it here. Let's do that. Sum of roots is this. Okay, square is equal to, this is what we want, right? This is what we want in numerator. Fine. So we want this box. Fine. 2 into product of roots, so 2 into minus of 1 by 3, so this will be 9, and this will be minus 2 by 3, so it will be plus 2 by 3 here, that is equal to alpha square plus beta square. So I'll make it 9 into 3, this will be into 3, so this is square plus 6 by 9, right? So value of numerator is this. We can also get the value of denominator, because this is nothing but alpha into beta and square, right, of a bracket square. So product of roots and square of it. Okay, let me write it here. I have this. Okay, plus 6 by 9. Okay, what is product of roots is minus 1 by 3 and square of it will be 1 by 9. So upon 1 by 9 will be 9 by 1. I hope you are getting this point. This is nothing but square of the product of roots, and product of root is minus 1 by 3, square of it will be positive 1 by 9. Okay, so 9 will get cancelled. So what we got here is lambda square plus 6 is equal to 15, right? Okay, so this will be, the 6 will go to that side, so 9, so this will be plus 3 or lambda will be plus 3 or minus 3, right? Lambda will be plus 3 or minus 3. We have got one value as plus 3 and other one as minus 3 of this b, right, which is the coefficient of x here in this quadratic equation. Fine. So I hope you understood till now. We used basic identity to get the value of this lambda or get the value of b of this quadratic equation. I hope this is pretty much clear till now. Now what we want is this, right? Again, this is pretty much related to algebraic identity, right? Okay, so let me write that here. We know alpha plus beta whole cube is equal to, the expansion of this is alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta and alpha plus into alpha plus beta. Now, do we know this alpha plus beta? This is nothing but sum of roots, and we have got the value of b also now, right? Which can be plus 3 or minus 3. So we'll consider two cases, one with plus 3 and one with negative 3. No issues. Okay. So we have sum of roots value of this. We also have product of roots now. We have also have sum of roots, and so we'll definitely get the value of this which we need to solve this question, right? Okay. So let me write it here. Okay. Sum of roots is what? This is 3, b is 3, so 3 upon 3, b by is minus 3 by 3 or minus 1. So minus 1 cube is equal to what? This bracket we want plus 3 into product of roots will not change. It will be still minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3, and sum of roots is what? Minus 3 by 3, that is minus 1. Okay, so this minus 1 cube will be what? Let me write it here. Minus 1 is equal to, we want this box. Okay, so this will go out. Minus 1 into minus 1 will be positive 1. It will go to this side, will become minus 2. Okay, so minus 2 is equal to what? Alpha cube plus beta cube. Yes or no? This box is what? This one, alpha cube plus beta cube. I am sorry, this is cube. This is cube. Let make it cube. Okay, so this is alpha cube plus beta cube. What we got is minus 2. Now we want square of this. We want square of this side. So square of this side will be 4. This is your answer, right? You don't need to check with minus 3. In fact, we are going to check, don't worry, but this will still give the same answer. Why? Because these are options, and one of the values is 4, which is possible here. So there is no need to check with another one, right? Right, I hope you understood, because this is also value, plus 3 is also value, and this should also satisfy, right? And that's why 4 is your correct answer, but we'll consider minus 3 as well. Let's see how it goes. Now if value of b is minus 3, right? Now we are considering value of b as minus 3. Okay, this may look quite messy, but this is just for your learning process. I am writing the complete things in detail. Okay, so if b is minus 3, so sum of roots will be minus of minus 3 by 3, or it will be positive 1 cube is equal to, we want alpha cube plus beta cube, so we want value of this box. Okay, 3 into product of roots is what? Minus 1 by 3, and sum of roots is 1. Okay, so this will be 1. We want value of this box plus this will go out. This is minus 1 into 1 will be minus 1. This is minus 1. So this is minus 1 will go to this side, will become plus 2 is equal to value of box, which is nothing but alpha cube plus beta cube. Or we want value of the square of this bracket, right? We want value of this side. I mean square of this side. So square of this side. Still we are going to get the answer as 4. I hope you understood. Right? Pretty much clear. Okay, great.